Yes, the fridge doesn't sit level on the worktop, so I've had to put a piece of wood under the back leg, and the front leg seems to be squashed up and it's on its full length, and the door is lopsided, which will move up and down. And then looking at the packaging, which I didn't notice at the bottom, so I've got a feeling that has been dropped, but it's working perfectly. It's just that I've had to level it up, and I don't know if I could adjust the door, but I'm not going to attempt that as yet. That's my only complaint so far. Thank you.